Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Pushkara Shinde and today I am going to tell you about ICH. So basically ICH is the International Conference on Harmonization. So in simple word, it is a it is a conference uh, where the all representative of all countries has come, which is related to the health professional and pharmaceutical industry and medicinal industry, and they discuss and find the effective way to increase the efficacy of drug, and to reduce the R&D research and development cost of the drug in all over country, and easily approval of the drug in all over country. So basically basically it is a body which give approval or permission to sell drug in all country without any without any hassle to the which manufacturer face to which manufacturer will face to uh, sell the particular drug to that respected to that particular country. So there are ICH is made by United States of America, and it contains three main groups. That first one is the European Union, second one is Japan, and third one is United States. So basically these are the three are the main members which created the this conference, and which created the conference. So the ICH is and then ICH, the main the main objective ICH to minimize the escalating cost of the healthcare products or a healthcare system. It means the whatever medicines or whatever healthcare product machine are used in the all over the world, to reduce the price, and make them affordable in any country, and every patient for their use. And also the second objective is to reduce the research and development cost on the medicine, because in one country, if the research and development has been done to particular country, then in and the same drug is want to use in the another country, but still that country has to again perform all the all the steps like pharma research and development, pharmacovigilance, all the steps, and then it gets approved. So to reduce that particular cost and save money, this committee is made, and and the third one is to ensure the minimum delay and providing the new treatment for patient. So let's see the classification of the ICH. So there are four classification. There are this group of members is divided into four. The first one is the steering committee, then second is the ICH group, and then third one is the secretariat, and fourth one is the coordinator. So basically the steering committee is the main committee which give rules, regulation, and guidelines to that particular organization or a conference, so that it runs smoothly. So it is and basically the steering committee are the founding parties, and the founding parties are United States of America, Japan, and Europe. So these are the three countries that mainly present in the harmonization group. So the global cooperation group, it was the form in the response to the incredible interest in the ICH guidelines beyond the country region like USA, America, and Japan. So then we move to the ICH working group. These are the working group that mainly these are the mainly one with work with the only one goal, that it smoothly functioning of that particular conference conference, and all the document all the information and implementation is whatever implementation work is done by that ICH particular ICH working group. Then the secretariat, it is the located, the head office of the all secretariat is located in the Geneva, Switzerland, and it is responsible for day-to-day management of ICH. the preparation and documentation of the meeting of the steering committee, and it also act as a working group. Also has a connection between working groups. Now let's move towards the coordinators. The ICH coordinators are the main function of the coordinator is to coordinate meetings and conference going on the harmonization meeting, and it contains six co-sponsor and 6 co-sponsor. So and they basically the main objective of it is to reduce the R&D cost, reduce the approval time, and to get the good medical and pharmaceutical treatment to patient. So thank you for watching this video, guys.